Hello, my royal family. Welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor. And if you're new here, welcome. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you two over-the-top glam tablescapes. If this sounds interesting, stay tuned. But please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, my family, let's get these tablescapes started. Alright, family, this is my items that I will be using to style these two tablescapes. And I am going to use mostly the same items for the second one. It's just going to be styled different. But this video is part of a collaboration, and it is with myself, Glam Queen of Decor, Design and Style with Stacy, Levels of Style with Sandra, and Tablescapes by Candy. Please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' tablescapes and that playlist as well. Now this is my tablescape number one. I'm going to let you see what I did and how I styled the tablescape, and I'll come right back. And if you haven't joined the Glam Queen of Decor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, here's my tablescape number two. Drop me a comment which tablescape is your favorite. I'm loving them both. Right, family, that concludes this over-the-top glam tablescape. And if you're not a family member, please subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. And I'll see you in another video. Stay blessed and stay positive.